Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we determine if a point lies strictly outside a given circle. This involves calculating the distance between the point and the circle center and comparing it to the circle's radius. Let's begin. The problem requires checking if the Euclidean distance between the point and the circle center is less than the radius. This determines whether the point is strictly inside the circle. The program calculates the squared distance between the point and the circle center and compares it with the squared radius. If the distance is smaller, the point lies inside the circle. How it works is that the program processes the input by calculating the squared distance, comparing it with the square radius, and returning the result. Squaring avoids unnecessary computations like square roots. Here's some examples. In the first example, the square distance is smaller than the square radius, so the point lies inside the circle. In the second example, the square distance exceeds the square radius, so the point lies outside. The ESX version is concise and uses modern syntax like array functions and the double multiplication operator for exponentiation. The logic remains the same as the ES5 implementation. Edge cases include points lying on the circle, which returns false, and points at the center, which return true. Negative coordinates are handled seamlessly by the formula. In summary, this program uses a simple and efficient approach to check if a point lies strictly inside a circle. Squaring the distance and radius eliminates the need for square root calculations, optimizing performance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.